Are you still struggling with your expensive cable TV bills every month? Or do you experience constant buffering and stuttering when watching crucial sports games or HD movies on weekends? Actually, your TV and internet speed aren't the problem. What you really need is an extremely stable underlying player decoding and data configuration solution. Today, we'll skip the complicated technical jargon and break down 3 highly rated mainstream large-screen configuration approaches to help you say goodbye to buffering. First is the TX IPTV solution, designed for ultimate stability. If you demand extremely smooth picture quality and cannot tolerate any stuttering during crucial matches, this optimized line is a great choice. It features underlying enhancements for network transmission, ensuring a more stable live signal regardless of peak traffic levels, making it a practical choice for those seeking a stable experience. Second is the common configuration for movie buffs, the 4K IPTV solution. If you enjoy watching various movies and TV shows and want a richer selection of content and clearer picture quality, it offers a wide range of content coverage, enriching your large screen viewing options. Finally, there's the balanced option that emphasizes cost effectiveness, the VIP IPTV solution. If you're looking to optimize the playback experience of your traditional TV at a more reasonable cost, this configuration offers excellent value for money and easily meets your basic daily viewing needs. Want to achieve this smooth viewing experience at home? You don't need to know any complex code. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to join our technical community. Tell us your TV model and network connection, and our technical team will provide you with free player setup and performance optimization guidance, teaching you step by step how to optimize your device. Stop wasting money on inefficient tinkering. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, like and subscribe to Firestick Secrets, and see you in the next video.